We've been in QuickBooks really forever. We've had, 5 to 10 bolted on systems to QuickBooks, and it's just kind of been a hodgepodge of different systems trying desperately to talk to one another.
For us, a lot of the frustrations were misshipping items. So that would just kind of cause this whole domino effect of like delaying shipments, and then having the customer reach back out to us, and then us having to fulfill the correct order, and then just readjusting all the inventory.
95% of our customers prepay for their order. So our old system, QuickBooks, had a hard time with the unearned revenue side and recognizing whenever it was time to apply that. So we were doing manual payment application with our QuickBooks system of our unearned revenue payments that had come in.
Before Acumatica, we were operating inventory management out of what I refer to as our Excel ERP.
So every month and every day when I want to do a bank rec, anything I want to do, I got to log in and out. I have 13 companies. You got to log in with your password every time. QuickBooks was wide open. You could just adjust something after the fact. You could change a bill 6 months after it had been paid. Very, clunky things like that.
We had to have something that was more accurate, easier to talk to, easier to get information from, and that was just kind of like a one source for truth. And that's where we found Acumatica to be our solution.
Acumatica definitely helps improve everything since it's all in one place and we're not busting out different Excel sheets and all of that. Everything is in one environment.
When someone reaches out to me like, oh, can I have my final invoice? I can just access that and send it to them instead of going to our accounting team who has to pull it from QuickBooks, who has to get back to me. And that's been a really nice, efficient piece.
With the Shopify connector that we're using, we're able to import orders and export tracking way easier now. Higher volumes are much more easy to maintain.
1 week we had 700,000 orders. Thankfully Acumatica was already in place by that time.
To be able to get everything in one central location, to have each department be able to talk to each other. Me, if I'm not in this facility, if I'm at one of our other facilities, I can have visibility on everything that's happening, what's being produced, how efficient products are being produced, has been a real game changer for us.
When I think of Acumatica, I think of efficiency. Being able to track things down easier.
I'm able to get a lot more information very quickly compared to, what could be a week previously.
Our team has been saved probably thousands of hours not having to do these minuscule tasks that Acumatica makes so much easier now.
It might be a little bit scary to change things, but it's one of the better decisions that we've made as a company.